Hi everyone, and welcome to part 14 of 'Tis the Season to be Gory. And it's the last Leatherface figure I've got in my collection at the moment. And it's the Leatherface figure from Texas Chainsaw Massacre, in when he looks like a woman at the end, which is quite disturbing, that part. And he comes with this really cool base with that armadillo. I don't know why he comes with an armadillo. I think it's his pet or something. But the chainsaw's good. It's got a little bit of blood on it, but not that much. And it fits into his hands pretty well. It took me ages to get him on his base, because I don't know why it just didn't seem to fit on properly. He's got a little bit of blood on his boots, and a little bit there. It's just like as if he's chasing after you on that part. And it's a good figure. I think his hair's a little more curly and wavy though on this scene, but it's still a good figure. I think he had like a bone thing, not a watch, but I'm not sure. But anyway, like I said, it's just a good figure all in all, and definitely if you're going to collect horror figures, get it, just like all the other figures I've shown. And that's the box he came in. I don't know what that is, that lump, but it wasn't, there's nothing stuck on his head or anything, so I don't know what it is. But anyway, here's the good write-up about him, which I'll show you. So yeah, that write-up about him is just really amazing. Thanks for watching the review of this figure. Definitely get it, and keep the box in mint condition, or try to, like I've done. And thanks for watching the figure review of part 14.